Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all drip ecosystem related projects. And today we're revisiting this video I made, back 3 months ago, because once again, people thought it was FUD. And here we are at the prices I pointed out in here. So what this is about is basically the pig's price and have we found a floor yet? And what should you do? Could you do? Because I can't tell you what you should do with the pigs and where I think they're still going. So right now, if I go back and look at this video, so I don't have the spreadsheet anymore when I made this. I guess I deleted the spreadsheet because it was over 3 months ago. But in this video, price and value hack, you see the thumbnail here, you can look it up 3 months ago. I basically evaluated the pigs token as a asset that you hold, because that's Forex's vision, that you hold an asset and you get paid basically off of dividends. So I was evaluating it off of the 4-year Bitcoin cycle, then cut it in half, and then did 1 year for like degens and came up with different numbers, also representative of the injections that were going to come in. Now, full disclaimer, we have not gotten these injections. So even these numbers I pointed out that I said by this time, we'd be at 2 cents, we're actually below that. Right now we're down at, let me pull that up real quick. I think we're at like 1 cent or something like that. Nah, it might be 2. Let me see. While that's pulling up. But anyway, so everything that I do is always, it's highly speculative, because crypto is just, actually any market is just emotion, greed and fear. So you can look at the charts, you can look at the stuff, you can analyze, you can do all these projections, but at the end of the day, people will buy and sell based off of their own FOMO, speculation, greed and fear, all that stuff. So that being said, you got to take it with a grain of salt, because it can change literally overnight. Hence, meme tokens shoot to the moon. Yeah, 2 cents is what we're looking at. So there's been no injection. So that could change dramatically from this. But anyway, let me show you what I was getting at in here. So what I came up with, it's down here somewhere, is this projection. So I had an all-time low of 20 bucks. So we're not there yet. And I said the 2-year was like $40. So what we've seen right now, there looks like there might be some psychological level here at 30. You can always expect on any kind of trading charts that whole dollar values become a psychological level of support. So we haven't broken through 30, but what we know, history does not necessarily repeat, but it does rhyme. And if there is no launch anytime soon for Piggy Plinko, which we know is still a couple of weeks, maybe even a month out, then that gives people no reason to hold, especially with the dividends being what they are. So we could expect more of this downward price action. But that being said, I do think still long-term pigs are a play, because we know Forex is not going to let the pig pen die. That's where he's got the most dividends that he get paid out. That's his vision, like I said, of the product-centric focus kind of CEO. So long-term pigs will be a play. Now, maybe that's in the next bull run, but that means if you can get pigs, in my opinion, below these prices, DCAing, of course, because man, I was completely wrong about how low drip could go. So take this with a grain of salt, but I do believe in the pigs value long term, because again, I know that Forex is not going to let them die. Now, the question would be, how low can they go? Because we've seen drip go to 23 cents. So, and it'll go as low as Forex feels until the next project is ready. Now, if Piggy Plinko comes out within the next 2 months, then I don't see this getting any lower than $20. So what I'm really trying to say in this video, that full disclaimer, I actually sold a bunch of my pigs at 45. I sold them, then I went to some meme tokens and 3x, 4x on that. So I'm still waiting to buy back into my pig pen position, because I got my gains outside the farm. So that being said, I believe we're not at the bottom, but this $30 level could bounce around, as we've seen before at other levels, like at 60. See, 59 was here. And then again, over here at 50, it bounced around a couple green candles. Then right above and below 50 again, we tried it. We didn't even do it at 40. We just shot straight through below 40. So I think that we could potentially see bouncing around at 30, and that could be a great place to accumulate. And if Piggy Plinko launches while bouncing around in the 30s, then you will have found the bottom of pigs, in my opinion, because again, hypothetically, I do believe that they're getting the marketing correct for Piggy Plinko, and that it will bring in some eyeballs due to the game. Now, I'm not concerned with that. I'm actually going to be playing fighter, way more than I'd be playing Piggy Plinko. But there is a market out there. So I do understand the market analysis and who they're trying to market to. And if they can get them on board, that is eyeballs, and that will, of course, support pigs. And then that would be the bottom of the pigs price. But as of right now, there is no bottom in the pigs token. When you zoom out, remember, we relaunched pigs v2 and we just took off straight to the moon at like 200. We started like 200 or something like that, and it just crashed all the way down to 55. And that was a level we bounced around in for quite some time. But now we've broken that, and there is nothing to stop pigs from going any lower, aside from, as I mentioned before, speculation and hype from forward-looking events. So Piggy Plinko and these other games that he's trying to tack on to the animal farm ecosystem can be that speculation and hype. So again, to wrap this up, I believe in this video, I put out $20. I don't know if we will see that, but we could. But anything, in my opinion, below 30 is a golden opportunity. If, big if, you are a believer in the dividend model and the long-term value, and you believe Forex will actually deliver on this. Now, if you can't check all those boxes, then of course I wouldn't recommend it. But if those check all the boxes and you still believe that, and again, there is tons of capital, millions of dollars still sitting in the big dogs BUSD. Actually, that would be less now. I haven't checked. Due to the price of dogs, this will be a lot less dollar value being able to be injected. But let's just say it's $1 million. And if you do $100,000 injected right now, that will take the price of pigs up dramatically. So that's 300,000. Let's just do the math on that real quick, just so you guys can see what kind of impact that can have. So you would have $100,000 in the vault. So that'd be 345,491 times 0.03, because 3% per day. That'd be $10,000 per day, divided by the total number of pigs in the vault, 356,687. It'd be 3 cents. So we'll jump it up just over a penny. So there's a lot of pigs in the vault now at this stage, and the rewards vault has dropped pretty low. So the idea to make this lucrative would be having this like $1 million, let's just say 500,000, and then every week like $100,000 injection. So if the games can do that, then you'll see this value constantly creep up, because you're paying out 3% per day, and then each week you'd be injecting another 100,000 or so on top of that. And that would make the pig pin very attractive, and therefore will make the pig's price very attractive. So that's something to keep in mind. So if these continue to go lower, and you have mostly degens in the space that want quick flip gains, especially from what they've seen from meme coins, then there's no incentive for them to hold. And that's why we've seen this price action. And we just had an AMA, or he did a VC in the REAP DAO, and I think there was a big sell-off in there. So there's a lot of people looking to make money now, and then there's of course the people that are willing to hold. Question is, who has more volume, the holders or the people looking to get out? And that will dictate which way the chart goes. So TLDR, 30 to 20 is the range I'd be eyeballing, as long as these games come out within that range. If they don't come out within that range, then there's nothing to stop it going lower like Drip did. So it's all based on speculation and forward moving events and hype. So just wanted to revisit this. If you want more of a breakdown, watch this video. It's 20 minutes long, 3 months ago. But yeah, TLDR, I think pigs are on sale as long as you believe in the ecosystem as a whole and the potential of Forex to deliver for those pigs in the future. All right, that's all I got. Hope that provides value. If it did, smash that HBO special help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.